Cutiss is a Swiss biotech building personalized skin to repair severe burns and complex wounds. Fresh from a $70 million funding round, the company is pushing its treatment from final testing to scaled production. Here's what they do. From a tiny patient biopsy, Cutiss grows denovoSkin, a living graft that expands to cover large areas and is designed to heal with minimal scarring. In a few weeks, hospitals get a patient-matched skin piece ready for surgery. It's different from the standard approach. Others use autografting. It takes more healthy skin and often creates new scars. But denovoSkin aims to spare donor sites, cut repeat surgeries, and improve function and appearance because it's the patient's own tissue. To reach more patients, Cutiss is building a closed, automated manufacturing process, turning made-to-order skin into a reliable, repeatable therapy. With fresh funding and late-stage trials underway, Cutiss is moving closer to making personalized skin repair a standard option for patients worldwide.